would say coffee.
Dylan?
That's, I don't know.
That's got to be a part of it.
That would be something cool.
That's not it.
What?
Concrete airport.
Dude, there's a concrete airport.
You might have to hold first.
No, we're good. We got it.
We are trying so hard.
I'm floored. Turn right. Where?
We are floored.
Right onto Lake Shannon Road.
Okay. I'm trying to avoid Bob. Oh.
Yeah, right. We're high up in the air now. We're high now, boys. What is happening? It's Kim's Jewelry Repair. What's up, guys? So we drove an hour and a half. Then we drove 20 minutes up mountainside and ended up with
He's dipping. I told you, didn't I? How? Which ladder are you going on? Here, can you take this down with you?
Fuck, man. This better be a good ass video.
This is crazy. Wow. You gotta walk through your yard. Apparently.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So this is the biggest, sickest view of a dirt track I've ever seen.
Fucking chained it all up.
It just means we have to walk over. Or is that chained off to the section that... Wow. Guys. Okay, are we on a rooftop?
No. We got it.
We gotta find a way to walk down. Did you just jump off the edge of the fucking roof? No. Holy shit. Holy shit, guys. Not even a big fan of heights right now. Oh my fuck. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. This is scary. Come on. Let's go. Come on. I'm fucking terrified. We're probably standing over like beach right now. Whoa.
Yeah, I'm at.
No, I'm good right.
Yeah, I'm good right here.
Dude, Jordan.
What?
Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy, right?
Josh and Steve, the explorers, you guys need to come check this out. Wow. Fucking ground.
Oh.
Whoa. Nope, not happening.
Yeah, I'll go around.
Nope. Wow.
I'll take it. Okay. Ready, John? If the little girl can do it. Yep. Bye, guys. Wow, look at this. Guys, there's a tampon.
Where are you? I thought you were gonna go all the way up.
I will, but look at this.
I can't go through here, man. Not the right shoes.
Oh, sorry, babe. that lead to?
Yo, look at that, bro. That's so sketchy right there.
Is that where you guys were?
We haven't gone up there.
We haven't gone up yet. It's a really nice view from here. You ready, baby? Let's go.
Dude, I'm scared.
You're scared?
To go to the top of this thing? Hell yeah.
Dude, this is. Oh, I'm not going above there.
Come on, let's
no,
go.
no, 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 no.
Jordan.
I'm not doing that.
Jordan.
No.
We need you, man.
Oh, look! There's a ladder.
There's a ladder, dude.
He's dipping.
All the way up.
Oh, hey! I told you, didn't I? All right, here I go. Yeah. Where'd Nick go?
You are crazy, man. It looks really scary because it says there's no heaven, no hell. This is like where people die in movies. But let's go up this.
Okay.
I got your phone.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you. Make it fast.
Here,
Holy crap.
you filming?
Oh. Dang.
It's scary. This thing is probably pretty safe, to be honest.
Which ladder are you going on?
You made it. Yeah, be careful.
Babe, look at this one. We went all the way to the top.
We might as well since we're here.
Underground?
Not jump down, look underground.
There's
Let's
an
go.
underground.
Is that a tunnel right there? What is that concrete walkway? Babe, don't leave me. Babe, why the fuck are you going? You're leaving me.
Yeah. How'd you get over there? I don't think I have long.
No, we're getting her down.
Ready?
No.
That's not a good sign.
It always freezes up one sec. What does it look like? Scary? Oh my gosh, dude. What the hell?
Let's go, baby.
Why are you walking on that thing, babe?
Here, I want to hold it.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Do you see Jordan in
Right
them?
here.
Where are they?
It's not bad, dude. It's
Alright, I'm gonna come down because there's nails on the ceiling.
Jesus protect us in this time.
Okay, try and not scare the children.
dude.
Here, take it so you can video camera.
That's crazy. Video okay though.
Oh my gosh, it's at me.
What?
The camera was pointed at me.
Oh my gosh, you're funny. Be careful.
Oh.
Guys, there's a stairway that comes up here.
Yeah, I know. Get to it. You go right down here.
You guys did quite a walk.
Hey, Nick. Right here. I'll help you. I'll guard you. I need this air, babe.
You're gonna be fine, I promise.
Jordy's the number one key. Oh, man.
All right, where are we going?
Oh, dude, this is where I can work on my car. Cable cars. How much you want to bet if we started walking that way, we'd find a cable car?
Probably, but we're not doing it today.
Not today.
That's insane. Well, let's see what's on the other side of this place.
I feel like we really need to go though.
Well, this is an easy way to get out, I think. Oh, hang on. And we'll put the GoPro on her head, and that's it.
What?
So we'll bring him next weekend.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, come on,
No!
come on! 5 minutes. It couldn't possibly take that far. Woohoo! Look at that.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. It's just the deep ass water. I'm good. That was close. Wow.
Oh, yeah, here's the flashlight.
Oh, hell yeah. Thank you.
No, this one you can't get up to.
There's nothing going to it unless if there's something that led off from there. Oh, the cable cars. I wonder if that had something to do with the cable car. I got water on my contact. Okay.
Sorry.
This is a long walk back.
I was looking at the foundation, there was giant holes in the foundation. It was so gorgeous.
Yeah, I got to get a view. Oh, that's as far as I go. Jesus, inserting dominance here. Wow, thanks. TMI. It hurts like a motherfucker. Really, really, really badly. Holy shit. Nick, you gotta come check this out, man. Come visit. This is insane.